In this video, I will show you how to convert a Word document to a PDF in your laptop for absolutely free. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, this is the Word document that we're going to be converting today. This is called example. I've just named this example, and this is just something we're going to use for this tutorial. So in order to go ahead and convert this for completely free, there is a website and there's a tool that's being offered by Adobe, which is absolutely free. The only thing you need to do is sign up for an account with Adobe, which again is completely free to do. So what you want to do first is open up a new internet browser, and you want to navigate to google.com. Now into the Google search box, you want to put Word to PDF and then put Adobe afterwards and then hit enter. And you'll see that should come up at the very top here, Word to PDF. So what you want to do is click onto this, and that's going to take you across to the converter. And what you're going to want to do first is click the blue select a file button. So what we're going to do is go ahead and now choose our file, which is this one here. So I'm going to double click. You can see that's currently uploading and converting to a PDF file. So if you want to come directly to this web address, if you look in the top left hand corner, it's adobe.com/uk/acrobat/online. Then you want to put a /, then it's word-to-pdf.html. So once you've gone across and come to this and you've uploaded your file and it's converted, you're going to get a message saying your PDF is ready with a tick. And all you want to do then is sign in with your Adobe account. If you don't have one, you can create one for absolutely free. As you can see, the link is down here. So what I'm going to do is just sign in to my account. And once you've gone ahead and either created your account or signed in, it's going to redirect you to a page like this. Now, what you can do from here is you can actually edit this PDF if you want to. And what I'm going to do is just come to the left. I'm just going to get rid of this menu over here. So I'm going to click the cross. But yeah, you can do things like, for example, highlight the text. You can add more text to the PDF. You can see this little toolbar on the left-hand side. So if you want to make any changes, you can do. And once you're happy and you want to go ahead and download this as a PDF, just come up to the top right-hand corner, press the download button up here, and you'll see that's going to download this in a PDF format. So if I now go ahead and open this, you can see the original Word document has now been converted to a PDF. So that's how you can go ahead and convert a Word document to a PDF on your laptop for absolutely free. I hope this quick tutorial helped you out, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.